So in a pressure cooker, we add in 4 tablespoons of ghee. Then we add 2 inch cinnamon, 2 star anise, 8 cloves, 8 cardamom and 2 bay leaves. Also add 2 teaspoons of saunf, also called fennel seeds. Mix them well and allow them to get well fried in ghee. Add in 2 large onions sliced. Mix the onions well in the ghee. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix them well. And cook till all the ingredients are fried well in the ghee. So once they are all fried well, add in 3 cups of washed rice. Mix the rice well with all the other ingredients. Add salt as per your taste. Also add in 6 cups of water. Mix well and allow this to pressure cook on medium flame for 3 whistles. So after 3 whistles, your ghee rice is done. It can be had with any masala. Tasty ghee rice recipe is ready. Also check my Instagram account at jan.e555. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and check out my other videos. Until then, take care guys. See you next time. Bye.